What I'm going to take a quick look now is how to swap the magnetic mount from the 3M sticker mount over to the window sucker mount, because I suspect this is one thing that a lot of people are going to have to do. For me, it's going to go onto the sucker mount while I figure out the position, get the camera right, and until I've got the hardwire kit in, and then when I've done that, I'll move back to this mount, just reduce the profile a little bit. So what you do, and this isn't in the instructions, it's screen item 10 on here. So you get the camera, the mount, hold it up vertically, and it slides. You just push it sideways like that, and that comes off. Put that to one side. You're going to need that if you want to go back to the mount, and then it goes onto the sucker mount. Like you see, you've got the notch here. You put it on, line it up, and push sideways until you've got a good mount. But you can see the difference in the profile size of all of that. So you've gone from something that was you know, a small sticker size, and then you've gone to something much larger with a screen sucker on top of that. Still, it seems a lot better than some other devices I've seen in my current one. And again, it still works the same. Put that on, you've got the magnetic clip. The ball joint itself seems very stiff. It's not something that's going to wobble around much while you're driving, but we'll try that out on some speed bumps and bumpy roads a bit later on maybe. This is how I'm going to mount the camera. I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to be using the script lighter charger for now, putting that in, plugging it into there, and giving it a go out of the screen. Trying it all out, get some test footage before I decide the final mounting position, and then also get the hardwire kit put in. Keep an eye on the channel, and we'll get some extra footage taken from both the front facing and rear facing cameras, and we can see what it's all like. Thank you very much.